City of Homestead How-To Video Series.
Hi there. In this video, I am going to show how to accomplish the transmittal of daily Amscot payments into Naviline Cash Receipts. Every day at 2:30 p.m. Amscot makes available a payments file to Homestead, providing all payment transactions from the previous day. Customer Service Department will pull that file and transmit it into Naviline on a daily basis. I am about to show you 2 steps to accomplish this. 1. Download the Amscot file using an FTP program. 2. Upload this file to Naviline via a data transfer. 3. Processing this file in Naviline in order to create a cash receipts batch. 4. Saving the resulting reports. IT will need to install this FTP program for you if it is not present. If you're first starting with this process, make sure you have the Daily File Transfers folder on your desktop. Visit the Customer Service Department share, then Daily File Transfer Process folder. Make a copy of the Daily Transfers folder and paste it onto your desktop. Open your desktop Daily Trans folders. Go to Amscot Data File Shortcut and launch the FTP program. On the right panel, click on the Amscot Download tab in order to see all the files Amscot has available to download. On the left side shows your PC. Make sure the address is pointing to your Amscot data file folder that you previously visited from your desktop. Locate today's file and hit the left arrow to transmit it to your PC. You will be prompted to enter the Amscot connection password. Enter it and hit OK. Close out the FTP program. You will now see the files sitting in your data file folder. Launch the File Upload Data Transfer. Then browse to the Amscot file you downloaded. Click on Start Transfer. Then OK. Then close out. Hitting No to save request is fine. The file now lives within Naviline, and you are free to move it to the Data File History folder. At this point, you still have to process the uploaded file. Visit Cash Receipts, then the menu called Create Lockbox Payment Batch. For Amscot, you will notice that it says Yes in the Data Loaded column because of your previous upload. Just double-click anywhere on this line to process it. You have now successfully created an Amscot batch within Cash Receipts containing all the Amscot payments. It will be listed with the abbreviation AM alongside your name. Your final step in this process will be to save the resulting Cash Receipts reports. Go to Outputs and identify the most recent CR reports. Select Display as PDF on the first report, and hit OK. It will open in a new tab. Choose Download. Browse to the Data Transfer folder on your desktop, then Amscot, then Report Shortcut. Create a folder for today and save it in there. Close the PDF and do the same steps for the next report. Hopefully this video got you going. If you need further assistance, the Innovation and Technology Department is an email or phone call away.